Welcome to the town of Tumbledown, where jellybeans bounce and pigs wear trench coats. Meet Inspector Waffles McSnout, the world's only pig detective with a monocle, a mustache comb, and zero pants. One sunny morning, a jellybean emergency shook the town. My jellybeans, they're gone! The royal vault licked clean, only a trail of sticky footprints, and a whiff of pickle juice remained. Waffles, with his trusty kazoo-playing assistant Sir Flapjack the Duck, sprang into action. First suspect, Granny Gigglemuffin, a tap-dancing giraffe with jellybean earrings. Granny Gigglemuffin, I was dancing with a cheese wheel, seems legit. Then came the Mustache Mice, 6 identical rodents sharing one suspiciously long mustache. The Mustache Mice. We only snack on spicy noodles and sonnets, still no pickle smell. Until Flapjack tripped over a giant dill pickle. This is the work of the Pickle Bandit. So they launched Operation Pickle Trap, a jellybean trail, a trampoline, and a jar of pickles. That night, splat, gremlin Bloop, I regret nothing. Caught, the town's sneakiest snack thief. Why'd you do it, Bloop? Gremlin Bloop. Larry the lamp told me the jellybeans were magic. Bloop was sentenced to 72 hours of tickle therapy and a stern talking to by Granny. The jellybeans returned, slightly pickle-flavored. Queen Tilly declared a new holiday, the Day of the Baffling Bean. Another case closed. Flapjack plays a kazoo solo. Somewhere, a lamp winked. In Tumbledown, mysteries are silly, jellybeans are sacred, and pigs, well, pigs make great detectives. The end.